Welcome to this video, where we will help you choose your power by comparing integrated versus dedicated graphics cards. There are two main types of graphics processing units: integrated graphics, or iGPU, and dedicated graphics, or dGPU. Integrated graphics architecture builds the GPU directly into the main processor die. The CPU and GPU share the same cooling system and power delivery, creating a highly efficient system on a chip. Dedicated graphics architecture acts as an independent coprocessor. It functions as a separate expansion card and relieves the CPU of all visual calculations. iGPUs use a shared memory system, reserving a portion of the system RAM, DDR4 or DDR5. This creates slower processing and higher latency for pixel rendering compared to a dedicated system. Dedicated GPUs use independent video RAM or VRAM with dedicated memory modules like GDDR6 or GDDR6X. This delivers massive bandwidth for large textures and allows the CPU to keep 100% of the system RAM for a faster operating system. The iGPU is perfect for productivity and media consumption, easily streaming 4K video. Modern chips can even run light esports games at 1080p. The dGPU's capability is essential for gaming, delivering high frame rates at high resolutions. It is also required for creative professionals and AI work, such as editing 4K or 8K video, rendering 3D models, and training neural networks. iGPUs are masters of efficiency, drawing very little wattage. This extends battery life to 10 to 15 hours and enables ultra-thin laptop designs without loud fans. The thermal cost of dGPUs is high, drawing over 300 watts. This reduces battery life and requires thick chassis designs with large heat sinks and loud fans. In terms of investment, iGPUs are budget-friendly and bundled with the processor at no extra cost. dGPUs are a premium tool, adding hundreds or thousands of dollars to the price, but they are a necessary expense for professionals. For everyday use, an integrated GPU is recommended for students, office workers, and casual gamers. It prioritizes battery life, portability, and low cost for basic tasks and light gaming. For high performance, a dedicated GPU is necessary for hardcore gamers, enabling high frame rates and 4K resolution. It is also vital for video editors and 3D artists, requiring VRAM and parallel cores for rendering and exporting. Finally, for advanced tech like AI research, a dedicated GPU is required. This is due to the need for specialized CUDA or tensor cores for processing massive datasets. Remember to match your machine to your mission and only pay for the power you actually use. We can help you configure the perfect system.